video on cracked and or damaged screens. You've probably seen my other video in which I do explain that I'm just going to have to rephrase this because the manufacturers does not sell the screens for televisions by themselves, and if they did, it is not cost effective. Okay, they do not sell screens to consumers and or technicians because they just don't make the screen because they're so fragile. I mean, if you crack the first screen and then they have to do like a special shipping, probably about $100 to ship the screen so it won't get cracked because it's very fragile. But anyway, I'm gonna link a video from Shop Jimmy. That's one of the nation's biggest parts distributors for consumers and technicians, and they actually tell you also that you cannot find the screen, but they'll also show you where to look for your panel number in case you don't believe us and want to find the screen yourself. But like I said, they do readily make screens for cell phones and or laptops and iPads and stuff like that because the screens are much smaller. Okay. Now I'm making this video because I get phone calls once again. People telling me that their screen is not cracked. Okay. This is after they tell me that the TV fell over, it was hit. My grandson or my son threw something at the TV and it's got lines in it. And I say, well, your screen's cracked. They say, no, it's not cracked. It's something on the inside, but the screen is not cracked. Okay. Well, your TV will absolutely look just fine. Okay. In most cases, when the TV is off. But once the TV is plugged in and powered on and the backlights come on, you can actually see the crack. Okay, unfortunately, that is all one piece. Okay, so if it's inside or outside, whatever, you know what I'm saying? The only time that you'll actually see a crack on an LCD or LED TV when it's off is if the crack was done intentionally and it just, then of course you can see it then. But if the TV fell or it got hit with a ball or some keys or remote control or game controller, most likely you're not going to see the crack in it until you turn it on. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just give you a few examples of what your TV looks like when it's cracked. So guys, sit back, watch the video, and enjoy.